Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can easily get Roblox Premium. To get Roblox Premium, first of all, launch open the Roblox app on your device and log into your account. Once you are logged in, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner, and from the More menu, tap on Premium. Now, click on the Get Premium button on the next page and then select the Subscribe Now button. Click on Purchase and follow through the prompts. Enter your payment details to confirm the purchase, and once completed, you will get your Roblox Premium subscription immediately. So that is how you can easily get access to Roblox Premium within the Roblox application using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.